Why do you need a pool?
You can swim a pool.
Yeah, later po.
Diretso tapos ito.
Ganda din.
Dahil nagkakamit niya.
Oo. Malaking facility din na.
Kahit mahal sila, ano?
Uy, hindi naman masyadong mahal. Tapos water resort pa.
We're in the playground. Not in the cafe playground. That's over
Okay.
here. But we're on the pool. Ooh, ducks. Do you see some animals, Mommy? Do you see some animals?
Kaya na?
Mommy, look. I played in the playground.
Yeah, later. Wait a second. Let's go. Daddy. Daddy. Celestine.
I wanna wear my bike.
We're gonna go this way.
A moment.
Celestine, you go now. Ay, too much stopping. Come on. There is a park there. Ano ba? Nandun lang yung campsite namin. And then we're gonna go here. Ha? Alin? Oo. So, ayun yung before, nung pumunta kami dito yung kay, nag-celebrate ng birthday si Winta. But hindi kami spend ang night dito. Ano lang, parang bumisita lang. Kasi umatanda sa birthday ni Winter. Pero this time around, we're spending 5 days and 4 nights here sa Parañaque. It's a nice place. It's reasonable din yung presyo. Not bad. So, we're just... Daddy, nasa iba yata yung ano, Dad? Iba yata? No? We're here. Namali kami ng daan. Dito pala. Nasa likuran tuloy kami. Eto. Yata. Namali yata tayo. Naligo tayo, ani? Ha? Sebastian. No, mine. Wala ka ba? Ay, wala ba yan? Ano ba yan? Iba pa pala yan? Doon pa yan yata. Yeah, we're here. Dito ba tayo? Nice. Daddy. Celestine, Sebastian, are you happy?
Yeah. We are baby ready. I will go.
Sebastian, I think you need to, Sab. Ang ganda dito, lalo na sa gabi. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Tapos may water pa. Sebi! Daddy! May water. Ganda. Daddy! Sebastian, don't go there. It's too deep there. Ay, matigas mo. Kaya mo na, Daddy. Taas meron. Ganda. Dapat pala dito tayo. Ha? Ay, okay lang, wait lang. Sayang naman.
Ako na magbibideo, baka wala ka na naman video.
Di, lagyan mo muna yan ng ano.
Laki nito.
Ha?
Vintage niya.
Look at my feet.
Mami.
Uy, huwag na focus naman.
Uy.
May mga bata rin.
Celestine. Chef, jump. Mami. Go na. Pakitaan mo kami ng floating. Go. Floating. Floater.
Wala, Vicky.
Hindi. Ang sarap doon.
Peekaboo, peekaboo.
Sarap.
And white.
Baka naman may tinga-tinga pa ako.
Hindi, ang sarap no.
What is that? What's in your sock?
Listen, it's okay to feel all. It's okay to be sad. It's okay to be happy. It's okay to be excited.
Why that one is broken?
Which one?
That white one.
The other one? Which one?
That white one. No,
This
that
one?
Yeah.
It's okay to be hurt.
What is that already?
Huh?
What's that to eat?
Huh?
What's that to eat?
Ano is that? Eat your vegetable, ha? Celestine. Eat your vegetable. You miss daddy? Who miss daddy? No one?
No.
Or no? Come on. Ah, okay, sure.
Like a monkey.
Ooh.
I'm a monkey.
Say hi, hi.
Hi. I want to kiss me.
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, because I told you to leave the Barbie behind. Okay na. Oh, now you can play.
I'm gonna go.
Yes. It's nice. And there's a parang maliit na lake. Nice one. Tapos may parang barbecue in the area. Nice. I'll go up. With the kids. Yeah. Ih, naku po. Yeah.
No, I need to go.
Where's Kuya?
I get in a boat
Ay, I'm the captain. Where's the Kuya?
over there.
Where? I can, oh, here, Kuya. Kuya!
I am the captain.
Oh, you can do the slide. Slide na ikaw. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Get my baby here.
Oh, ready? Barbie? Ready, Barbie? 1, 2, 3, go! No, the crocodile will attack us. So we need to be very careful.
In the water.
Yeah, but I think there's no crocodile there anyway. I'll take a photo of you. Celestine, oh, just kuya din. Tin.
That's like South Fuji, Mommy.
Yeah. Tin, can I check?
Oh, that's like South Fuji.
Yes, just like from your school, di ba?
That's like South Fuji in here.
Yeah. Ah, it looks like it, yeah? Okay, I'll take a photo na. Go. Wow, so strong na pala si kuya. Where's Tintin? Tintin?
Like South Fuji.
Yes, just like the South Fuji.
Ford Park, Australia. I can see here.
You lost it. Ah! Ah, wala na, nak. Okay. Ready? So cute. Oh, there's none. None. I cannot see it in the video, babe. I cannot see it in the video. Wala nga. There's no bubbles. There's none.
I just put it there and I just see the bubbles.
Yeah, but probably over there. It doesn't capture.
Mommy, look. My remote.
Whee!
Do you see it, Mommy?
Start now. Ready? Wow! Good job, babe. Here na, Daddy. Be careful, ah. Daddy, ang bantot namin, mga bata. Ay, ang pogi na asaka ko.
Basta.
Okay. Ang babantot namin, ang ano.
Ano yun, maingay? Bukas yung ano.
Ang init kasi.
Dit, ginamit mo yung ano mo.
Ha?
Yung binili mo.
Second day of going to the pool. Okay, go there. Yeah, you're excited. Daddy,
Sayang, no? Kung wala kang pasok, camping ulit.
kung walang pasok. Nice. Maybe I can check the ano. Daddy.
Tsaka yung isa.
Same lang yata.
Ang dami yata ng liligo.
Mas madaya bang olive? Ah, hindi ka tama nga.
Mommy.
Oh, thank you, babe. Thank you. Sabi, look at me. It's just a video. Daddy, what are you doing?
Mami,
Maganda dito. I really want to.
the fourth one.
Oh, video mo rin kami ni Tin because it's nice here. Just videos. Isa.
Tintin.
Daddy, which cat do you want? Daddy. Mamacita. Which Mamacita. Which cat?
It's day, ano na ba to? Day 3? It's Saturday. Tingnan natin. That is outside. Tintin is still sleeping. He's still sleeping. Ayan. Kuya is in the park na. That is sleeping. Daddy, good morning. Tulog pa yung mga kapitbahay namin. Time check. What time is it? 5 toilet is nandyan lang. Ayan lang. Tama ba yan? Kasi ito yung camper trailer namin. Ayan. Lagi kong ina-ask yan na malapit sa toilet. Kasi para ma-encourage yung independence ni Sebastian. Yum. Ay, let's go for some breakfast. Okay, cleaning up time. The beauty of having a sibling. Such a good girl naman ikaw, Tintin. Good girl. Good girl naman ang bebe ko. Good job, Tin. Oh, enough na daw, enough na. Oh, maybe Tintin naman. Oh. No, don't be unfair. It's Tintin's turn. Sabi, don't be unfair. Tintin's turn. No, I'm watching the ducks here. See, there's a ducks. It's really cute. Si Kuya. Sabi daw. Wait lang, Tin. Celestine, wait a second. This one, the ducks. So cute. The turtle? You sure? Where's the turtle? Meron? Talaga? Oy, nasa? Oh yeah, that's true! Wow!
Don't put your phone there.
No, I just want to try to show them. Whoa, that's a bit scary.
Yeah.
The face of the turtle is a bit scary.
I got run.
No. No! Sebastian, they're harmless. It's okay. I was just like startled. Alin ba? Oo nga. Daddy, or slide. 1, 2, 3, wee! Oh. Where's the lava monster? No.
You need to try and get me, Daddy.
Are you sure?
Daddy.
Celestine. I'm gonna be a lava monster. Wait. I'm gonna get Tintin. Tama.
Ha?
Sign of aging.
Sign of aging. Here sa Karinyap. Oh, Daddy. Celestine.
Nasa bahay lang eh.
I know. Daddy. Ah. Yummy. Daddy-o. Nandito kami sa ano. Parang hot pot. Nakikita ko lang ito dati eh.
Tingnan ko lang.
Celestine.
Celestine, are you excited? Celestine. Celestine. Are you excited?
No,
No. About the one, are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm just joking. I said I am excited. I'm just joking.
Picture that. Okay, picture.
1, 2, 3, say cheese. Look at daddy. Celestine.
Ayun na lang siya.
Okay na lang, mami na lang.
No.
1, 2, 3, say cheese. Here. Okay.
Makuha. Yeah. The other one. Kanina yan. So yours. This is daddy. This is daddy's. Haba yung asa pa. Ay, tumunog na yata. Yung isa. Yung akin tumunog yung 10. Ah.
Ikaw, Mommy?
Yeah, but we're totally. How is it like? Sebastian is very tired na. We're still waiting for our noodles.
Where's mine?
Mine's 8.
Where's mine?
Oh, yeah, you're gonna share with me, yeah. Yeah. Aha. Nandyan ba yung turtle? Nandyan? Can you see it? Ah, yeah, can you see? Yeah, you can see it. It's like a snake head, but no. It's harmless. But don't touch it, okay?
But it's gonna bit, Tim.
Oh, well, it will bite you if you touch it.
The duck. What about that?
The ducks is okay. Don't touch a turtle.
And it's gone.
Which one?
I give him some sticks. And then you give him some sticks? Don't give him a stick. Don't give him a stick.
The duck is like waiting for us to give them we don't have it.
The turtle is...
Oh, I don't know what turtle ate. What a turtle ate? You don't know too?
No, we live in the cell.
Woo! Woo!
The
You can don't put me there.
I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Run! Run for your life!
Or did also run for your life. Ay, bulog mo.
Sa'yo.
Can you do me? I want to sit here now.
Nahilo.
Ang hilahin mo naman. You're not dizzy?
I'm just smile.
You sure?
Yeah, not the big one.
It's a big one.
No! You're making me crazy. I laugh.
Ready?
I'm going to help you. Ooh, that's nice.
That's nice.
Talagang inaano ko nga.
Oh. Sige, hindi. Napunta ko na rin yan dyan. You're still checking the ducks, babe. Daddy. Dad, be careful!
Yay! I can go in the, I can go in the
Swimming. No, Sebastian, wait for Daddy.
That one.
The same? Oh, Daddy. Daddy. It's really complicated.
Oh, that's a good idea.
So, noisy, noisy. Where? Oh, yeah. Celestine, don't touch.
The same, mommy.
Yeah, oh, yeah, at home. But don't touch. That's not ours. If it's not yours, don't touch. Oo.
Parang bagong ba?
Oo. Pero hindi ano. Or siguro medyo bago-bago. Yung sa... Oo. Bango naman nun. Shower time. Shower time. Tin. Say bye. Celestine. Celestine. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, baby.
Sebastian. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye, Karinyap. We had a great time, isn't it, guys? You guys had a great time, Seb? Going home na. Ending our, 5 days and 4 nights camping trip.
5 days ba?
Yeah, 5 days and 4 nights.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.